In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the glass effect in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open Figma. If you've got the software installed on your computer, launch it now. Alternatively, you can head over to the Figma website and log into your account there. Once you've opened Figma, the next step is to create a new file. You'll see a button labeled Design in the top left corner of your dashboard. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up a fresh design canvas where we can begin our work. Now we need to insert a shape to apply the glass effect to. To do this, we'll use the Shape tool, specifically the Rectangle tool. You can either click on the shape icon located in the toolbar or simply press the R key on your keyboard. Once that's done, click and drag on the canvas to draw your rectangle. Now that we have our shape in place, it's time to set the color. With your rectangle selected, look to the right sidebar for the Fill section. This is where you'll choose a color for your shape. Ideally, you'll want a solid color that complements your overall design. Next, we'll dive into applying some effects to really bring this shape to life. With the shape still selected, scroll down to the Effects section, which you'll find below the Fill options in the right sidebar. There, click on the plus icon next to Effects to add a new effect to our shape. In the list of effects, look for the glass effect. It should be readily available for you to choose. Once selected, you'll see properties for the glass effect pop up. This is where you can get creative. You can adjust the refraction, dispersion, and various other settings to fine-tune the effect, making it resemble real glass. For an added visual flair, check out the little glass bubble icon for further options. If you want to enhance the definition of your shape, you can add a stroke. This step is optional, but worth considering. Head over to the Stroke section in the right sidebar. Click the plus icon there, pick a color for your stroke, and adjust the width to suit your aesthetic. Another important aspect is adjusting the opacity. This will help you create a more transparent effect for that subtle glass look. Right above the Fill section, you'll find the Opacity option. Move the slider to a lower percentage to increase transparency, and watch as your shape starts to resemble beautiful frosted glass. Are you ready to see how it all looks together? Click on the play icon at the top center of your screen to enter presentation mode. This way, you'll be able to visualize the glass effect in full screen, making it easier to appreciate how it integrates with your overall design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, don't forget to save your work. You can do this by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting Save, or by using the handy shortcut Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on a Mac. Lastly, if you want to export your design, make sure to select the element you want to export. Right-click on it, choose Export, and then select your desired format. Click on Export Name to finish up. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to use the glass effect in Figma. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome design tutorials. Happy designing!